Gumawa ka sa team. Ito ang namin na tumulong. We have two hands up in the air. And just follow our volunteers. They're all around. And this is what we're going to do when they say, Monster Lock! Last one, right? I want to see everyone put up the hands. Last one, right now. Okay, yung mga tula. Unang-unang move natin yan. Pangalawa, second move. This is what we call a great attack by one team. Kunyari, kapabalik dito, ito yung ginagawa nila, ganun ginawa nila. Later on in the game, this is what we call our Super Squad! Here comes the Here comes the Here comes the pass! Here comes the These guys here! Let's go! Yeah, that's our Super Spike. Alright, pangatlo, our third move. Dito sa DNL. Ito yung pag-serve at sa team. Hindi na ibalik natin ang kabila. Nakascore sa kalaban. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be clapping 2 times.